This summer, drought gripped the UK. Hosepipe bans, cracked earth, a lawn pushed to its limit. This is its recovery.
Hi everyone. Well, what a summer we've had. That was really awesome for my solar panels, but not so great for my lawn. So your lawn's probably looking like mine right now, which is very dead. So this is what my lawn looked like back in May. This was only 2 months old at the time, and again it's first cut with my Yucca mower. So you can see it's really nice and green, and this is what it now looks like, which is nowhere near what it looked like a few months back. So we're going to see if we can fix this, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. So I went looking for grass that will survive the next summer and not go brown like this. So I asked AI and I did some research. It pointed me towards Kentucky Bluegrass and also some turf type Tall Fescues, which will go well in my lawn and stay green. So I went for the deepest, darkest green possible. If you look on this, this is the NTEP trial data. So NTEP is an American organisation. They rate all grass seeds based on colour, all its genetics, properties, growth, disease tolerance, on all different things. So this is a chart that I've pulled up. So at the top you'll see there's after midnight. This is the grass seed that I've gone with. I've also gone with a ward, but which isn't in this list somewhere. It may be in a different list, but anyway, I've gone for after midnight and a ward Kentucky Bluegrasses. I've also gone for some Resilience 2 from Twin City. So I asked AI to create me a chart of what this grass would actually look like. So this is the darkness rating of each grass. So currently I've got the Manna bent grass, I've got the creeping fescue, and I've got the Evora SMG. So this is what the UK would call an elite lawn mix. So you can see the colour sort of profile of what you'd get from that. What I've done though is I've gone for all of these that are below. So the bottom two, the really dark, almost black blue ones, are the Kentucky Bluegrass, which I've seeded or going to seed. So the other 5, that's the Resilience 2. That's the turf type Tall Fescues. So you can see all of those seed types I'm seeding are significantly darker than what I had before. So I'm hoping when this starts growing I'll get a really deep green lawn. So, and that'll be year round and not going brown in the summer, hopefully. So if you want to see how this goes, stick around. Let's show you how I'm going to attempt to fix my lawn.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that tactical sign. Same bobcat, same moon boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on but not too far, just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it off. You can't leave in a town this small.
Thought I'd fly over my own state. Something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry. You know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign, the population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days. With the same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky you don't see in LA. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. This concrete tree line's got my head up in the clouds. A good thing that I got my roots back in steady ground. With the same old small church parking lot, I cried when Bobby tied the knot. By God, we never thought he'd give her his last name. Or the ring that I won on the night that we once stayed 14 to 9. Those Friday football lights sure did feel like fame. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same. Five-piece freeways led to freedom. Thought I'd leave and find my way. But when this big map tide breaks me down, I go back to the place where the same old worn out welcome sign with population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days. The same old station on the side of that homegrown two-lane paradise, watching that midnight sky that makes me want to stay. This big world will always change, but the small town will stay the same.
Catching a haze love moving through me like a worm.